Okay, this is the hill I had to climb. Right about down there. Came up the trail and right up to here. Them are the mountains out there I came out of yesterday afternoon. And about in that way out in there in that green spot is where the highway goes across. We had to climb this cow pasture. And now we go down the trail and into the woods and who knows where from there. But this is my view from today. It's around, I don't know, around 9:30 or so. But that's where I came from yesterday. And you always turn around because there's always a view behind you. Okay, we'll see you up the trail. And the trail will go that way. Okay, I came across this, and I guess it says the quarterway point. 1641 to Maine, and I apparently did 547. Alright, this is what the trail looks like. It's been a quiet day. That's where I came from. Kind of brutal uphills. I'm about to do one right now again. I don't know. It's a quiet day. Alright. Once again, here we go.